Alright, I want to go over how to use your page builder and edit pages. So if you've imported the demo data, it's pretty simple since we already have kind of everything set up. So if you just click Edit with Elementor, it'll pop open the page editor, and you can just select areas and start editing them. So just for a quick example, easily adjust text. And then within the page builder, there's options like this. And almost all of the elements have this style tab, which gives you even more control if you want to do things like adjust text, or typography, fonts, all easy, easy to adjust in there. So I just kind of want to go over that a little bit quick, and then I'm just clicking off that page now, and then let's go ahead and let's create a new page and start from scratch. So I'm going to go and create a new page by clicking Add New, and then Sample Page Builder Page. Let's go ahead and publish this. And just in the beginning, I'm going to go and open this in a new tab, since I'm going to go over some page options first. So make sure you have it open on a new page, and you can do all sorts of cool stuff. So let's say you wanted to change the background image over there. You scroll down and you have a bunch of options. So you can do things like add in a subtitle, change the body background image, change the content background image. Let's go and change the body background image. And I'm just picking one really quickly for example's sake. Click Use this file. And then if we update it, you'll see, and then we refresh our page, you'll see that we've added a new background image and we added a subtitle. So you can have custom background images on each page if you wanted as well. And you can do the same thing with this white area that is the content background right there. And there's even a background for the page title area if you want to have a background up there. But let's go ahead and let's remove the page title. To do that, it's pretty easy. Just select Disable Page Title, click Update, and we can refresh. And then you'll see that'll disappear. And from here we can close this since, or no, not quite yet, almost. We'll leave it open, and then now let's go and open the page builder and start editing our page. To do that, again, you're going to want to click this Edit with Elementor, and then it'll pop open the page builder for you to start editing your site. So you can do, you can start out two ways. One, you can add a new section and start building, or you can add a template. And I'm going to go and add a template down here since these are our directions. So what a template means is if you click this folder icon down here, and then Template Library, you can import any of these demos here, or if you click on My Templates, these are all demos from the live preview. So let's say you wanted to have, your About Me page again. Just duplicate it exactly. You can just click Insert, and it will throw it onto the page for you. So it's really easy, and if you want to save templates, you can also save and reuse templates. But I just wanted to point that section out first under My Templates, since I know a lot of times people want to, I want to use the home page again or whatever. You can do that up there. So in our case, let's go and just delete this for now. I just kind of wanted to go over that option. But let's go and start building a page. Let's build like a 2-column layout. So I selected 2 columns. It's pretty simple. From here, you can just, select things and drag them over. So if you want like a heading, and then if you click on this bar, you can add some text. And then let's go and add an image on the other column. Let's choose our image. And this is just a quick example to kind of show you. And then when we're ready, we can save the page. And you'll want to kind of view the page as well because it'll adjust a tiny bit. The preview isn't exact since we have like page builders padding built in, but that gives you a good idea on how the page builder works. Now let's say you wanted to fill your screen. You can do that pretty easily by or adding a background image. You have options for selecting a column is this gray one, and then the whole section is this blue one. So if we do that, we can add a background color pretty easily. So let's add like a light or a medium tone gray to the background, and then click Save. And then let's say we wanted to make that display the full height. All you have to do is select your section and click on min height. And if you display vertical height, that's percentages. And by default, I believe most of the demos are 80%. So if we save that, then we can refresh it. That's just a quick way to kind of show you how to do a full height section as well. And you can also make sure that the content displays in the middle by default as well. I just kind of wanted to go over that one since this is going to be a common page builder option. And of course, you can, as mentioned before, choose between a lot of different options for your page building needs.